Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on XIAOMI 12S Ultra. And to do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now find app called Notify Buddy. Select it and download it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we can move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for this app. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it enabled. Now let's proceed. And from here we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system, active, and settings. In user you can allow any apps to receive custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can do the same thing, but with all system bound apps. In active you can find all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape or placement on the screen, even the color. Let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.